Anyways, we're doing the team draw now for the Noir case. It's 5:20 and 35 PM Melbourne time. What was it for? Random live. Dice roll. Round 3 times. Names. 1, 2, 3. 16, 17. Video 1 from 16, 17. So that's Simmons. Lakers. Boston. 16, 17. Kings, I think. 12. 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Randomizer plate. Team draw is Van Houten with Wizards and Cavs, John Spence with Pacers, Coulson with Celtics, Lanyon with Suns, O'Gorman Ryan with Spurs, Mark Stokes with Wolves, Mason O'Gorman with Magic and Thunder, Coulson with Rockets, Van Houten with Heat, Glenn Jackson Grizz, John Spence Jazz, Van Houten Nets, Fasolas Pelicans, Adam Carter Raptors, Sean Hutchinson, Mavericks, Chan with the Hornets, Mason O'Gorman Kings, Lanyon Clippers, Fasolas Sixers, Coulson Blazers, Bots Pistons, Kieran Foley Lakers, Fasolas Nuggets, Adam Carter Hawks, Mark Stokes Knicks, McAshton Bulls, Hodgson Warriors, and Ryan O'Gorman with the Bucks. And that is the team draw.